What's up guys, welcome to my channel. Today I've got an exciting thing for you. That's the Dyson V11. Let's unbox it. So this is the Dyson V11 Absolute Pro. It is a premium high-end vacuum cleaner. So if you have an OCD for cleaning like me, then this is just made for you. Let's first talk about the elephant in the room. I bought this for 44,900 rupees from Reliance Digital. So now let's find, is it worth buying this for this exorbitant price for your home? It has a motor that spins at 1,25,000 RPM. It has got its cyclone technology inside, which creates forces of 79,000 G. With so much of suction power, I can be assured that if I clean my sofa, my floor, the fans or the false ceiling, it cleans very effectively. Like even on my sofa, I could see the fine dust that this machine had collected. Since this machine is a cordless machine, it is so easy to use on your daily life. Like the other vacuum cleaner that I was using, it had cords, so plug in and the cord is running all over the house. And it used to become really mess to clean the bin as well. But here everything is collected in the transparent bin that you see, and it can be easily cleaned by pointing this towards the dustbin. I'll just show you how it works. This is, you can see it directly goes to the dustbin and the bin is empty again. So this has 3 modes: Eco, Medium and Boost mode. In Eco mode, the battery will last up to 60 minutes. In Medium mode, up to 40 minutes. In Boost mode, 6 to 8 minutes. So with the high torque attachment, it can run on the auto mode. So depending upon the surface, it cleans accordingly. So if it is hardwood, it would take different power. On the carpets or on the sofa, it takes different power. It has 6-stage filtration in the machine. It comes with the 2 head for floor and carpet cleaning. This attachment is mainly used to clean sofas, curtains and wooden surfaces. So this is a soft bristle attachment. It is usually used to clean the computer keyboard or your surfaces, your television surfaces and delicate items. This is the combination brush. This is a crevice attachment which can be usually used to clean the window panes or the corners of the sofas. This another attachment is used to clean the mattresses. So this is the angle attachment. This is for hard to reach places. You can clean the false ceiling or fan or above your cupboards. This is the flexible pipe, again hard to reach surfaces. And this is the wall mount with which you can hang your device. The assembling of this machine is very easy. So I'll show you how you can attach the battery. This is the battery. Just a press of the button and the battery is out. And this is the charging point. So all of these red buttons are for attachment. You can press it and attach it easily. The maintenance of this machine is really very easy. The bin can be easily cleaned. Once you open the bin, there is a button over here. You just need to press it and it is out. You can wash it and completely sun dry it and again attach the bin to the machine. So I'll just show you how the attachment is. And this is the filter. You can wash this filter also. So here I have removed the filter. This purple filter can be cleaned. Again, sun dry it and then only attach it to your machine. And the heads can also be easily opened and cleaned. I'll show you one by one. All you need is this coin. Just put the coin, flip it, and you can remove this out, and then the attachment can be easily washed. Then sun dry this attachment as it has got this velvety finish. Sun dry it and after 24 hours fix it back to the head. This high torque head can also be opened with the coin. Just take a coin, flip it, and this is out. You can again wash this. So for me, spending 44,900 rupees for this vacuum cleaner was totally worth it, because this is for my daily use and very easy and convenient to use and clean. So guys, hope this video is really helpful to you. So thumbs if you like my video and subscribe if you love my video. Till then, stay happy, stay home. Bye-bye.